I remember what days were like before my Vacmaster. Life was a little predictable. But now, with my Vacmaster, cleaning's fun. I can clean everything. The wife loves me a lot more because now I'm actually helping her. Get the baseboard. That's awesome. You can get inside the shoes. It don't matter. You can get everything.
Okay, after my red key stickback took a poo and my Kenmore took a poo, I took a chance on this one. I get it all set up and everything, and it will not power on out of the box. No power. Nothing. Way to go, Amazon.